The second piece is called the calling. Ring, ring, ring. Those that have ears, can you hear the calling on your life? Because I can hear this ringing. Those that have eyes, can you see the glory of who is on the other side? I mean, he's literally blinging. Of course you can. Because your attention's so stuck on the things of this world that your own soul is literally clinging. Clinging on the edge of hope. Ready to fall into darkness. My fault is my spoken word already stinging. Will apologize. My hope is that these words will catapult. Yes, have you flinging sprung forth. Have your eyes set on the prize and the newness that our God is bringing. Oakland, I need some worshipers moving in the spirit and truth. Please start shifting, because LO has come to the town to turn it around. Yes, it's about to start spinning. Welcome to the wheel of fortune, because all of y'all about to start winning. But it will only come through your obedience to the response of that ringing. Ring, ring, ring. So what is your response? Are you going to close your ears and continue to ignore? Knock on the gates of heaven just to turn back, run away and close every open door? No, it's time to raise up our voice and begin to implore. Cry out to the one that created us all. Whatever's been destroyed, in a twinkling of an eye, he can have it restored. Don't look back. Look in front of you. There's an entire church with you ready to enter in one accord. Look at the light. Past all the darkness, just begin to walk forward and walk towards. That's it. You've almost made it. Continue, persevere. You're about to score. Ring, ring, ring. Oakland, stand up. It's time to answer the call.
Hey. I'm like ready to do like either 8 push-ups or, because I can't do a lot, but I'm fired up though. Maybe not. Dude, that was fire.